So, in the area of human resources, we hire and pay staff people to fulfill our mission. So, there is a lot of potential risk in our HR functions of recruiting, screening, hiring, compensating, and training staff. And when we draft and implement policies and procedures regarding payroll, compensation, training, and complaint processes. The potential risks involved in these HR functions are recruiting and screening practices. We could be sued if we discriminate. And disability and discrimination laws. We want to make sure we're aware of the Americans with Disabilities Act, that we follow all laws pertaining to paid sick days, meals and breaks, sick leave, job classifications, independent contractor versus employee. Next slide. So how do you limit your liability in HR? Well, you're going to want to make sure you access legal, technical, and nonprofit support services to understand your legal responsibilities as an employer. You want to make sure to be compliant with all local, state, and federal laws. Some of those laws you'll find in the Fair Labor Standards Act, Department of Labor, Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, Washington State Labor Laws, City of Seattle Office of Labor Standards, and Seattle Office of Civil Rights. You're going to want to make sure that all employment contracts and employment agreements include clauses for privacy and confidentiality, internet usage, anti-discrimination and anti-harassment policies, independent contractor definition and description in the agreement versus full-time employees. I also want to include clauses such as do not compete and non-disclosure in order to protect copyright and proprietary information. There are different agencies out there where you can seek help, such as 501 Commons or the Nonprofit Assistance Center, or even the Northwest Justice Project that offers free legal help to nonprofits.